1060V. This is our largest selling machine, which is built to meet the customer's need in general engineering, automobile, die and mold, aerospace, and medical applications. It is with the fixed column construction. The column has got an ultra-wide base, which actually absorbs the cutting forces and provides a higher stability as well as prevents the deflection, thus giving an enhanced cutting dynamics. The table size of this machine is 1200 by 630 mm with a 800 kgf load carrying capacity, and it also gives a flexibility to the customer to cut number of small size components simultaneously, as well as other customers for a larger plates as well as the injection molds or a forging plates. The stroke of this machine is 1020 by 625 by 600 mm. The rapid travels is with 36,000 millimeters per minute with a micron level of accuracy. Coming to the spindle of this machine, it is a high precision spindle design with an angular contact bearing. The speed of the spindle is 15,000 RPM. This higher speed is provided to give better accuracy. We have also provided chiller to the spindle to prevent the thermal expansion, thus increasing the life of the component, the tool, as well as enhancing the accuracy of the finish. The spindle power is 18.5 or 11 kilowatts. This is given for a high material removal rate. This actually helps in the higher cutting forces which is required for a larger components like in the injection molds or even in the forging industries. Coming to the ATC, automatic tool changer of this machine, it is equipped with 24 tool pockets. We also provide 30 as well as 40 as an optional features in this machine. The machine is provided with the Fanuc OMI Plus with 15-inch touch screen. It has got a 400 locate block. This machine also can be provided with Mitsubishi as well as Siemens depending on the customer application. And this machine also we have given to the customers as well as when they want for a 5th axis as well as the 4th axis applications. The machine is provided with a scraper type chip conveyor, which is basically for the aluminum types of chip. The machine is provided with a tool rack, which is an operator friendly. You can place your tool holders in the pockets and he can use it whenever he wants it for a specific operations.